Justice and the University of the Philippines.
Austin French, Hannah Kerr. This morning, you can give a shout out to a stranger. That time that a total stranger helped you out. 0448 40 20 20. That's the text line. You can call me just like Robin has done. 1300 40 20 20. Good morning, Robin. You'd like to give a shout out to a stranger?
Jason just appeared. We still don't know how he actually came here, but it was something to do with I possibly met his mother at a church function. But Jason said to me, the young man came and said, would you like me to mow your lawn? After I told him my husband had passed, would you like me to come and mow your lawn? And I said, no, I don't have a gardener at the moment, and yes, I don't have a husband. So, and I said, oh, I'd love you to. And he said, I'll just do it. And I said, no, I'll pay you. Can you go?
Also raised was the issue of mental health with latest studies that will have to be taken into account.
Pag tinitingnan natin yung mga pakisan, yung pinapataw natin na halimbawa, yung pinsan mo, yung ba ay akma o kailangan ba more to rehabilitate. So, lalo-lalo na sa pinigay na ating mga tubunan. So, siguro, dapat pag-isipan natin yung framework mismo.
In the context of the transformative reforms that the DOJ is undertaking, ito pong layunin ng Criminal Code Committee